Hello friends, welcome to Chess Bliss. In today's chess video, I am going to share with you an amazing trick which can be used as black. And I also have an interesting chess puzzle for you all. So stay tuned till the end with Chess Bliss. Hello friends, the trick that I mentioned earlier is known as the fishing pole trap. It's one of the best opening trick for black and you can use it to win more games. So let's get started. With the king's pawn opening. e4, e5, knight f3, knight c6, bishop b5. Now the main idea for white is that he can simply capture our knight on c6 and later go after our pawn on e5. So now we are going to play knight to f6 attacking his pawn on e4. Now white can simply capture because if he takes his pawn on e4, he can simply play rook to e1 attacking our knight, so that we should move that. If we play like knight to f6, he can simply take our pawn on e5. So that's a bad idea. So now we are going to play knight to g4. So now many players feel uncomfortable because our knight isn't on his territory. So they will play something like h3 to move away our knight. In this variation, we are not going to move our knight. Instead, we are going to play h5, supporting our knight and sacrificing it for a pawn. Say, if we play something like pawn to g4 capturing our knight, then he's gone. Let me show you how. Now we are going to play pawn to g4 capturing his pawn. Now we are attacking his knight on f3. So now this white knight has only two safe squares to go. That is knight to h2 or knight to e1. Now let's say if he plays like knight to e1, then it's mate in 4. Let me show you how. So now we are going to play queen to h4. If white plays something like pawn to f4, freeing up a square for his king to move, we are simply going to play pawn to g3, locking up the squares for white. So now if white plays something like queen to h5, sacrificing his queen, we are simply capturing his queen with our queen. So queen to h5. If white plays something like rook to f3, we are just going to play queen to h1 and that's a smothered checkmate. And there is also another variation and that I will show you in my next video. So please subscribe for my channel to get that notification, and here is your chess puzzle.